Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez, and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi guys! I talked to my friend and he was asking kung ano yung pwede kong gawin sa sobrang egg noodles na meron siya. So I'm thinking, what if we make seafood yakisoba? Tara, let's cook it using Koizumi grill pot.
So now let's make shrimp yakisoba. So for our shrimp yakisoba, the ingredients we're going to use are Tonkatsu sauce. So for this one, may mga store-bought naman siya, so you can use it. Egg noodles, carrots, green and red bell pepper, leeks, white onions, and shrimp. So let's open our grill pot to medium heat. Then add our oil. Then season natin yung shrimp natin with salt and pepper. Stay our shrimp. For our shrimp, I'm using tail on and head on para mas madali siyang kainin. By the way guys, Koizumi grill pot is 2000 watts. Very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. So okay na yung shrimp natin, let's set aside. Add our onions and more oil. And yung hindi ko nabanggit kanina, minced garlic. Bell pepper. Carrots. Then add our Tonkatsu sauce. Water. Then guys, for Tonkatsu sauce, pwede nyo siyang mabili sa any Japanese store. Add our noodles. So we will add more Tonkatsu sauce. Season with black pepper. And salt. Then add soy sauce. So that's it guys. Pwede na natin siyang i-plate. So now let's proceed to our plating. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So here's our shrimp yakisoba.